Thinking of earning money just by reading news? The FlashNews app claimed to pay users for doing exactly that. But is it too good to be true? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available reviews and personal opinion. Flash News has a 3.6-star rating with over 260 reviews. At first glance, it looks like a decent news reading app with rewards. But when you dig deeper, things start to fall apart. A lot of one-star reviews mention the same red flag. Users say they reached the payment threshold, but when it was time to cash out, their pending payment simply vanished. One user even wrote that after waiting days and being told the queue was long, the payment due just disappeared from the app. No money, no support, just wasted time and data. So, is Flash News legit or a scam? While it might show some signs of legitimacy at first, the pattern of users being unable to withdraw earnings is a major concern. If you're looking to actually earn, this app might just waste your time. Stay smart, read the news, and don't fall for easy money traps. If you've used Flash News, let us know your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no fluff app reviews.